Highland Falls is absolutely flooded with all the sand. A lot of sand, look at that. Absolutely crazy. Wow. People just standing, looking, helpless, don't know what to do. Residents of Highland Falls. Look at that car. Almost halfway submerged into the water. Water everywhere. That's the post office. Highland Falls post office right there. Completely flooded. It's amazing. Town hall right there. Never been seen flooded. Floods. It's on the other side. It's the bridge itself. Look at it. Look at that powerful stream of water. Absolutely unprecedented. Never seen before footage coming at you from Highland Falls. This is how you know water is super powerful. You can never mess with this thing. Absolutely just streaming with immense power. Look at that. Residents worried about their properties. Standing helpless, don't know what to do. You can hear the vibration from underneath the bridge. Absolutely just immense power. I think you can hear it too. You can feel the vibration beneath your feet. Absolutely. This is amazing. This is going to cause a lot of damage for sure. Residents watching helplessly as their town gets destroyed. Look at all this water. Absolutely. Look at the power. Whoa, easy now. Those cars are gonna need some flood insurance. Let's get a closer look at the power of this water as it rages. Look at this. Just look at the power of this water. This is absolutely unprecedented. Whoa. Look at that.